Welcome to my video channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how to do the backup your document photos. Um, so basically you don't want to spend money and buy inexpensive programs. This is will do a good job. So I've got my external hard drive connected as a F drive and I got a bash file here to run. So I'll just run that quickly. Shouldn't take too long. So this is what it's gonna do. It's create a backup folder and I want to have full backup, which is the backup everything on that date. And then the next day I will run the differential backup. And inside of the full backup, we have every documents on that date. If I make any change tomorrow, let's say if I can do it today, I want to make new folder. Let's make new folder called test folder. And inside of that, I make another create another file called test file testing.txt. Double click, make some change, save it. So if you go into F drive under backup and then today date under desktop, there's no test folder in there. I can do full backup, which it will overwrite everything, but it will take some time to do everything for full backup. So rather than do full backup, I'll just do differential backup. And I hope I get that folder inside of this folder. So let's run backup, a differential backup. Yes, it is, and let's copy that folder. So if I close that and F drive under backup and desktop, there's a new folder which I created and a new file. So it's good, isn't it? Now let's have a look how if I change the different date and how to change the dates. So let's say tomorrow I may go to adjust date and time, make that one to off, change the date. Let's do 6, change. So the date has been changed and I want to make change on that folder, in that file, change. So the change had been made. So let's say you do some work on this date and you want to back up. So rather than do full backup, you can simply click differential backup. So let's just back up only one file or backup 2 file because I made some change on the fold for that 2 files. So backup 3 file here, which is great, nice and easy. So let's have a look at the date. Under backup, they will have new folder created, and inside there should be 3 file in there. There it is. It's 3 file that you made change. You can also do picture. Let's make picture. Make some picture, new picture. Just copy that picture, put in here. So if I run differential backup, it should be one folder. Copy into picture folder, and there it is. It's great. Now it works, King. We go in there, check. That's a new picture. It's good. How did I do that? That's a good question. Now I'm going to show you how I create the bash file just quickly. So click on Explorer. You then go to View. You then click on Options and then click Change. view again. You need to untick hide extension for known file type. Untick that and click OK. From now, you should be able to create a new file by right-click on the desktop, new text document, and just name that one run backup, run full backup. You can name whatever you want. Dot delete that and replace with .bat. And are you sure you want to change? Yes. So you open that, not open, edit, right click and edit. Just copy and paste this command here and like that. This is for full backup. And the only thing that you need to change would be the drive there, because your external hard drive or USB drive could be E, could be D. In my case, is F. And then save it. Now, same thing. You create a new file for differential backup. Go right-click on the desktop, click on New, go to Text Document, and run differential backup. Delete that. .bat. Yes. Right-click and edit. You can write new command down here, or copy this command, copy and paste. You can pause the video and write down this command, and then say yes, save it. And same thing, just change the drive letters. Depends on your what drive letter on your USB drive. Save it and exit. Now you can do full backup. Let's test it works. Yep, it does. I can close it. And the differential backup. Yep, it does work. Good. That is nice and simple. And hope you like my video. Please leave a comment if you ask any question, or subscribe. Thank you.